Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech World with Prival. In this video, I will tell you how to download, install and sign up for Zoom application. And if you want to know more about Zoom application, I have uploaded a good video about Zoom application on my channel. You can go to the playlist section and you will find that video in the Zoom playlist. So let's move to the computer screen. Step number 1, just type Zoom download in the Google search bar or any browser you are browsing. This is a way. Another way is that you can directly type zoom.us/download. You will see this type of interface in front of you. So step number 2 is, what you have to do is just you have to download the Zoom. You can see this button download. It is under the Zoom client for meetings. So this download, you have to download this version. It's downloading. Let's wait until it's get downloaded. Okay, fine. This Zoom executable file has been downloaded. Now the step number 3 is that you have to install the Zoom application. So what you can do is you can double click on this, or else you can go to the folder where it is present. Okay, it's present in the download section. Or you can now you can double click on this application executable file. You just run this. It will start the installation process. It takes just one or 2 minutes, not more than that. Yeah, it's been installed. So step number 3 has been completed. You can see this Zoom icon. So now what you can do is that you do not need to sign in to Zoom to join a meeting. Without your account, you can join any meeting on the Zoom application, but to create a meeting or schedule a meeting, you have to sign in. So now we are going to create an account on the Zoom application. So this is a step number 4. So let's sign in. In this, what you can do is you can enter your email and create password and sign in with the Zoom application, or else you can sign in with Google or Facebook. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to sign in with Google. Okay, so now you can see login with Google. Zoom should launch in a few seconds. If not, please click button below. So now the Zoom will launch. Okay, so you have successfully created an account on the Zoom application. This, you can see this icon over here. This is my account, or you will find your account over there. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.